Railway signals can fail, and when they do, lives depend on knowing who's responsible. Here's what Operating Manual 1.04 says about signal maintenance. The Signal and Telecom Department handles all repairs and replacements. Signal lamps damaged? Station masters must immediately contact the signal engineer or maintainer. But here's the critical part most staff miss. Traffic staff must return slots and signals to normal position immediately. Never leave a lever pulled after the train passes. This single mistake can cause accidents or complete signal failure. It's all in General Rule 3.36. Know your responsibility. Follow the procedure. Save lives. Share this with your railway team. Safety starts with knowledge.